Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's Anita Tadavarthy, your acupuncturist friend. I wanted to do another segment on hair growth and hair loss. Why do I do these? It's so important to me that I help you to look your best and feel your best, because if you look and feel your best, you'll make the best decisions for your life and you'll enjoy that life. So today what we're going to talk about is using onion oil for hair growth. Now, why does onion oil work so well for hair growth? It has a high content of sulfur. And so the sulfur can really stimulate the hair follicles and can also prevent hair breakage. So do consider this. How many times do you use this? You can use it a couple times a week, no problem. What I like to do is I'd like to take the oil and massage it into my scalp before I go to bed and let it marinate in my scalp while I sleep. And then the next day I wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner. Now you really, in doing this, want to really massage the oil into the scalp so it gets into the hair follicles so it can stimulate the growth. And if you can leave it in while you sleep, then it has an extra opportunity to be able to get into the follicle, penetrate into the follicle, and stimulate that growth for you. Onion oil is so simple to prepare. Almost every household has these items in their pantry. I know every Indian household has these items in their pantry. So what you want to do is take 2 onions, chop them up, and put them in a blender cup. Then next, what you'll want to do is take a tablespoon of coconut oil and put it into the blender. Next, you'll want to blend this till you get a smooth paste. Once you do that, you're going to take the paste and put it into a saucepan. And then you're going to take a half a cup of coconut oil and put that into the saucepan. And then you're going to stir the saucepan for a couple of minutes. I think it took us about 15-20 minutes till it became a nice golden brown color. Once it becomes a nice golden brown color, then you're going to let it cool for a few minutes, and then you're going to take a cheesecloth, put it over the jar that you want to use, and strain out the onion particles so you just get the onion oil. Now, if you're in parts of the world where you don't readily have a cheesecloth, you can use a piece of fabric, an old sari for example, and just strain out the onion particles so you get that nice consistent oil. Now there's one other step I want to share with you. Now the onion oil smells like onion. So at the very end, after you've strained out the onion particles, you can take any essential oil, whether it be citrus, eucalyptus, or peppermint, something that's strong in smell, and you can put in those drops of essential oil into the onion oil so it masks the smell of the onion. And then there you have it. You have a ready-to-use, really nice oil to help with hair growth. And again, how do you use it? At nighttime, when you're about to go to sleep, take a few drops with your fingertips, massage it into the area that you are having loss of hair or you're having breakage of hair. Really massage it into the scalp. And then you can sleep with it if you want. You can put a cap over your head so it doesn't stain your sheets, or you can put a towel over your head so it doesn't stain your pillow. Then the next day, just wash out the onion oil with shampoo and conditioner. Do it a couple of times a week for consistent results. And you can combine this with some of the other hair tips that I've shared with you. On this channel, we've shared 3 different tips so far. Actually, 4 different tips so far. We've talked to you about the onion oil. We've also talked to you about rosemary water. We've also talked to you about rice water, and we also have talked to you about castor oil. So be sure to look out for those. I've never seen a contraindication in using all of these together. You totally can alternate. For example, you can use the onion oil one night, you can use the rosemary oil the next day, and the next day after you can do the rice water, and the next day after you can do the castor oil. You can mix and match as you wish Just remember, you don't have to do all of them. You can do one or a few of them, but consistency is the key to helping you have a thicker, fuller, shinier hair that you can enjoy and that can help you look and feel your best so you can make the best decisions for your life. I wish you all the best from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthy.